Here we can easily cancel this 5 and this 5. So here we have just 9. And 90 divided by 9 gives us 10. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 90 divided by 9 over 5. Okay? According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Then times 5. Okay? First we do this multiplication. 90 times 5 over 9. 9 divided by 9 gives us 1, and 90 divided by 9 is just 10. So here we have 10 times 5, which equals 50. So 50 times 5, which equals 250. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 250.